Hey, what's going on, guys? So in this video, I am going to show you how do you change Instagram music length. So this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. So first, let's go ahead and open up Instagram. Now from here, I'm going to swipe to the right to access my camera. And here, I am just going to take a quick picture by tapping on this shutter button here. Now from this one, I can swipe up and I can tap on music. So I will just pick a random one. Let's take this one for example. Now for this one, if you want to change the length of the music, you can tap on this icon here that says 15. So you can make it 14 seconds, 11, 10, or 5 seconds. So it is about 5 seconds to 15 seconds. So when you're done, you just have to tap on done. And that's it. But one thing to remember is you can only change Instagram music length if you are taking a picture. However, if you are taking a video, the length of the music would always follow the length of your video. So I hope this is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I am going to see you on the next one.